Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So through this video I would like to show you the way how to extract the file from the zip format that you have on iPhone. So if you're receiving a zip files format from your email and then you just download it in a zip format on your phone, you can extract the file, or you can also reach out the files by doing this. Open the files and you just need to find which zip formats that you want to extract. So here I got this zip format here. So if you want to extract the files inside of this zip, you just need to simply click this file, one tap, and it will be automatically extracted. You can open it and all of the files are here. So it's so easy, so simple, seamless, and effortless. So that is the way how to extract your files on the zip format. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching guys, and I will like to see you for the next tutorial.